Guys, I found a secret website that generates high quality videos better than Kling or Minimax, and it is free. You can have a video generated in less than 5 minutes and the quality is top notch. But before I reveal this website to you and how you can use it to generate unlimited video, how about you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. To get started generating videos on this website, simply go to your favorite browser and type degen.ai. I will also leave a link in the video description. Once you are there, you will find all the videos that other creators have been able to generate. You will also find the global ranking of all the creators using this website. To get started creating videos of your own, simply click the profile icon over here and then log in with your Google account, or you can use any other email account. Once you are signed in, you will get 300 free credits, usually called mem, and you will get 120 mem every day you sign in. You will also get 5 mem when you post a video to the community, 3 mem when you post a comment, and 1 mem when you like a video. And for consumption, you will spend 30 mem to generate a video, 30 mem for lip sync, 5 mem to generate an image, and then 10 mem to generate an audio. If you are interested, you can join in their Discord community or their WhatsApp chat group to get latest updates about this tool. Let's click create to generate a video. First, we will need to upload our video. If we do not have an image, we can generate one by pasting our prompts right here, and you can choose from any of the 2 flux models they have. I'm going to go ahead and upload an image. Right here, I have the option of 2 video generation models, Real Motion 2.0 and 2.1. I'm going to go with Real Motion 2.0, and then I can actually select background music from any of the available ones right here, or I could upload one of my own background music. If I want to lip sync, I could just go ahead and toggle this on, but we are going to come back to this later, so we are just going to leave this off for now. Right here, I can drop in my video prompt, and I can also use the prompt enhance to enhance my prompt. Now, one thing I like about this enhance prompt feature on this website is that even if you do not provide any prompt and you go ahead and click the enhance prompt, it is going to generate you a prompt based off the image that you uploaded. Now we have the option to remove watermark, but that is going to cost us $4.99 a month. So I'm just going to say hold up on this one. We are still in the testing phase. And finally, we can choose either the 5 seconds or 10 seconds duration for our video. Now note that both duration will cost you the same amount of mem credit, so you don't pay less just because you chose the 5 seconds duration. I'm going to choose 10 seconds and I'm going to click on generate. Our video is going to be added to the queue and then generated. It took more or less about 5 minutes, and this is what it generated. Quite impressive generation, isn't it? Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let's go ahead and test out the lip sync feature. I have uploaded this image of Jack Sparrow, and I'm going to keep the model at Real Motion 2.0. I'm also going to toggle on the lip sync mode this time. Now I have 3 options to provide my audio: the Gen Speech, Upload Audio, and Record Audio. Gen Speech is a text-to-speech feature that allows you easily generate your audio from text, and when I click on it, I will first need to choose a voice character for my project. Now I can listen to all these different voice characters and select the one that suits my project the most, and then I'm going to paste in my text over here. And when I'm done, I'll go ahead and click generate audio. If I have my audio already, then I can go with the upload audio option. And lastly, I can record my audio using the record audio option. Now whether I'm generating text to speech or I'm uploading or recording my audio, the audio must not be longer than 30 seconds. This means that with the lip sync option, the duration of your video is determined by the length of your audio. So if you provide a 5 seconds audio, your video will be 5 seconds long. And if you provide a 30 seconds audio, your video will be 30 seconds long. So I'm not going to be bothered with the time duration here, as that will be determined by the length of my audio. I'm just going to go ahead and click generate video. Again, it is going to add it to queue and then generate my video.
So, you're asking why I want this job? Well, mate, I heard there's free rum, and I'm very, very qualified to drink it.
If you actually look closely, you will see that the lips does not sync perfectly well with the audio. Surely still needs a bit of improvement, but really isn't bad. Let me know what you think in the comment section. I'm going to test it out again with an anime, a cartoon character, and another realistic character. And these are the results that I got.
Only the strong survive. Only the wise. Subscribe! I don't beg, but if you don't subscribe, you'll regret it in your next life.
Stretch those tiny legs, buddy. This time, I'm not stopping for snacks.
This product didn't make me smile, which means it's perfect. 5 stars. Would haunt again.
Pretty cool, isn't it? So you can easily go ahead and sign up on this website to start generating videos. Remember, the link is in the description of this video. To generate unlimited videos without needing to pay, you can register with temporary emails or just use all the Gmail and email addresses you have to sign up. But if you have $5 to spare, then this is absolutely worth it. So that'll be all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till I come your way again, as always, Tolu is my name. Stay blessed. God loves you.